One tiny pod holds the secret to the world's most addictive treat. Nature's alchemy turns bitter seeds into chocolate magic. 140 degrees of fire unleashes flavors that seduce the world. From bean to this irresistible river of temptation. Watch it, the moment perfection is born.
That sound, you know you want it.
Deep in the jungle, the journey begins. From one bean to billions of moments of pure joy. Now watch how it's really made.
It all begins in the humid equatorial plantations, where the sacred cacao tree, Theobroma cacao, bears its precious fruit. Only fully ripened pods are harvested by hand to preserve the delicate flavor inside.
Inside each pod hides 30 to 50 precious cacao beans, surrounded by sweet white pulp.
The fresh beans, still coated in their sweet, protective pulp, are collected for the crucial fermentation stage.
The harvest is transported immediately to fermentation stations to begin flavor development.
Beans and pulp are layered into wooden boxes, ready for the natural magic of fermentation that unlocks chocolate's true flavor. The boxes are covered with banana leaves to create the perfect warm, humid environment for fermentation to begin. Beans are turned multiple times over 5 to 7 days to ensure even fermentation and develop chocolate's complex flavors.
Over 5 to 7 days, natural yeasts and bacteria transform the bitter beans into the aromatic foundation of chocolate. Fermented beans are immediately transferred to drying areas to stop fermentation and reduce moisture. Sun drying takes 5 to 10 days until moisture drops to 7%, preserving the developed flavors. Dried beans are packed into sacks, ready for the long journey to modern chocolate factories.
Dried fermented cacao beans arrive in bulk sacks at the processing facility for transformation into chocolate.
Bring it back slow, watch the clamps. Okay, set it down right there by the hopper.
The beans are emptied into hoppers, where they begin their journey through the cleaning line.
Advanced sieves and air classifiers remove stones, sticks, and foreign matter to protect machinery.
Strict metal detection ensures no contaminants reach the delicate roasting process.
The purified beans are elevated to the roasting department, where heat unlocks chocolate's signature flavor.
Beans are precisely graded by size and density to ensure consistent roasting and quality.
Advanced destoners use gravity and air to remove any remaining heavy impurities.
A light preheat makes the shells crisp and easier to crack without damaging the nibs. The cracker breaks the beans, separating the valuable nibs from the brittle shells.
Powerful air currents separate the light shells from the dense, flavorful cocoa nibs.
Final human and automated inspection ensures only perfect cocoa nibs proceed to roasting. The heart of flavor development starts here. Cocoa nibs enter industrial drum roasters for precise, controlled roasting.
Roasting at carefully controlled temperatures unlocks the deep, complex chocolate notes while reducing acidity.
Rapid cooling locks in the developed flavors and prepares nibs for grinding into liquid chocolate.
Grinding breaks down the nibs, releasing natural cocoa butter to create smooth, flowing cocoa liquor.
The pure cocoa liquor is stored and blended for consistent flavor before the next transformation. Refining reduces particle size dramatically, creating the silky mouthfeel essential for great chocolate.
The refined cocoa liquor enters the conching, the heart of chocolate making, where flavor matures and texture smooths.
During dry conching, bitter notes mellow, and the chocolate develops its characteristic depth.
Sugar and additional cocoa butter are blended in to balance sweetness and improve flow.
For milk chocolate, milk powder is incorporated, creating the signature creamy profile. Long hours of conching remove harsh notes and develop the silky texture and complex flavors.
The conched chocolate is transferred to holding tanks, ready for the critical tempering stage.
Automated tempering precisely controls temperature to form stable cocoa butter crystals for shine and snap.
High-precision depositors fill molds with tempered chocolate, ensuring uniform weight and perfect shape.
Robots ensure perfect flat surfaces and recycle excess chocolate for zero waste.
Controlled cooling in the tunnel locks in the crystal structure for that satisfying snap.
Advanced robotics carefully demold the bars without damage, maintaining premium quality.
High-tech vision systems ensure every bar meets strict quality standards before packaging.
High-speed flow wrappers encase each bar in protective foil, preserving freshness and creating that iconic metallic shine. The outer paper sleeve adds branding, information, and the premium tactile finish consumers expect. Automated folding ensures every package is flawless and tamper-evident. Permanent laser coating provides full traceability and regulatory compliance. Multi-packs are bundled and shrink-wrapped for retail display and consumer convenience.
Robotic precision packs and palletizes cartons, preparing chocolate for global distribution.
Random samples are pulled from every batch for rigorous in-house testing to maintain consistent premium quality. Every aspect of packaging and appearance is manually verified for flawless presentation.
Dimensions check, 50.02 millimeters.
Texture Analyzer confirms the perfect snap and smooth melt-in-mouth feel.
Expert sensory panels evaluate flavor balance and complexity to match brand standards.
Strict microbiological and contaminant tests ensure chocolate is safe and free from harmful substances.
Only when every test passes does the chocolate receive final approval for worldwide distribution. Pallets are stretch-wrapped and strapped for maximum protection during transport and storage. Finished chocolate is stored in precise, temperature-controlled warehousing, ready for global orders. Fully automated systems retrieve exact orders with speed and zero error.
Next.
Pallets are carefully loaded into trucks and containers for safe worldwide distribution.
All clear.
And this is how modern factories produce chocolate, from cacao beans to finished bars. From the tropical cacao plantations to the consumer's hand, for this is the complete journey of chocolate production.